Also, I want to say thank you to those of you that supported my family and I want to say thank you so much. There have been an ongoing investigation. My mom has been released and there's been an ongoing investigation. And it has been investigated that there's an involvement of my mom in this kidnapping case. There have been an involvement of my mom in this kidnapping case. I only did what any child will do to save their mom or to ensure the safe return of their mom. Oh my God. Words can't express how the family is in shock. I am in shock. This is not right. This is so not right. Oh my God. This has shattered my full family. My full family is in shock. We have been shattered. My dad has some health issues and I don't even know how he's going to go through this. This is so unfortunate. It is so unfortunate because what did I do wrong? I put my face out there. My reputation. My reputation. I'm short of words. But I'm so angry. I'm so mad that, oh my God. Please. I have no hand in this. I never knew. I never knew. I never knew. I only wanted my mom back home. I only wanted her back home. Just come home to us. The law is going to take its course. This investigation is so ongoing and I promise, I'm going to keep you guys posted. For those of you that came to support us, I'm so sorry this is happening. I'm sorry. I only did what any daughter would do.
They truly talk and say, if you not come from bad family, may you go dey thank God. If you get good mama, you get good papa, you get good siblings, go dey thank God though. You don't know what God do for you. Because you don't go feel know the pain of that person wey come from a very bad family, or the person wey not get good mama or not get good papa or good sibling. This very lady, so when I post, so this very girl, I don't fair post her before when she cry, come at us, say, na so kidnap people, hold him mama, when mama they come back from shop. Say that is her sister where they Benin, call him mama be like say they Joshua, she want most riches. But when they come wait for her night, come fall, she not come house. Now after some hours, I be the next day, now they come call and say, kidnap people carry her oh, make she bring 50 million naira under 1 week. All of them start to dey cry. Even when I post this lady video, I was crying like wetin dey really dey happen for Benin, not knowing say na this very woman wey you say they kidnap her, so na she even plan the kidnapping with the boys. Why? Madam, why you do yourself this one? Why you do Edo State government this one? Maybe like say they no dey work. Why you do police of Edo State this one when be like say they not dey work? Why you do your children and your husband this kind thing? That 3 questions I get to ask this very woman so. Because wetin you do so na very big thing to your family, you might not know. And you see mothers wey too like money. All these mothers wey be like say their children dey abroad, whether their children dey abroad or not dey abroad, or wey too like money, na they do all this kind thing. Whether you want collect money for your children hand, you not use sickness, you not use any other thing, you say na kidnap matter. Why una dey take advantage of the current situation of Nigeria to do these things? Una can't just make Benin City be like saying and not go area. Everybody even dey plan want to relocate, even if na Libya or even if na Morocco, make you use leg go because it can't be like say where person can't dey not good. Una go even make her look like say the highest kidnap na Benin City dey because of how una country dey take advantage of the current situation. Person not can know the one will be EDGO for inside, not can know the one will be bandito for inside. Madam, you just do this kind of thing. The law must take its due course o. But meanwhile, my lady, you know say the people really donate for you. You even come out for Enoge platform that donate for you. You need to return their money back, as you said. You need to restore people money back. Those people who donate for you, most of them go see they go through one or two things for their own life, but they took hard time. Sit help you because of how this lady take cry. This girl really cry, yo. Even me, I felt for her. This girl, so she did Canada. She cry. Now, una don hear from her when she take analyze how im mama take involve for the matter. Say she herself, she tire. And this girl, so she get brand. If you go her page, you go see her brand. That she dey do her avatar and all that. This woman just come mess the children up like this. Which kind money you want to say you dey find? All these mothers wey like money. Which kind money you want to say you dey find? Your children no dey give you money. Even when that oracle say he still ask the girl question, they say the woman say she dey okay, she do this one. As in, na man na be man problem o. Una see why the Nigerian government or the president or whosoever, they no want to take Nigeria matter serious. Because you see this kidnap matter now, as una come dey take am as say na operation, I take need money for family now. Una don't take am upon una self now, say all of una wey dey pass through one or two things on our family, una wan come use the kidnap matter wey dey happen now for Nigeria, wan come take advantage of am. E no good for una, because e go come be like say when the real thing happen, people no come know who to help. The government no come know whether na true. Una dey make the government look the citizens so stupid, like e go come look and say, maybe if this the one wey be true before, they'll come look and say, I bet not be true. Maybe this one still stage may take collect money for a family and maybe not true. Now that situation now they put every other person down, which is not good. E no really dey go so now they take advantage of the current situation. Come they make people they feel sympathy for una, of which na una na stage. Why una go dey do this kind of thing? And the way this girl take cry come out, even for a no-gay platform where he come out to, every other platform where she for come out now, I don't know. And now, now some message also goes to all those foundation, charity, a no-gay marathon, a barrister, no-gay marathon, yes. And other people, when they do this foundational contribution, make una they watch well before now they help people now. They do the contribution for live video, more now stop her because they take advantage of that thing. Take on to the meet too now. Hope say if they come now, contribute money, give them. Because the one way can be true, person no can know. Make una they investigate the way. Because the way this woman take do this thing so, if I be your husband, may return your bride price. Yes, you too do this one. Even your children, if they not forgive you in the next 5 years, may anybody not blame them because you too do this one. You just come mess your family up because of waiting. How much you now want share? How much you will be married woman? You will deal my ass. If you need money from your children, you don't know any other thing to use. If at all, but this very insecurity, so not be waiting person go take they make content. Not be waiting una until they do una wayo. E no good. You just come for your family and you need God's mercy because what you do so. No, if you feel come out of this one, your children, whether they go forgive you, it go hard. When want to take advantage of Nigeria's situation, more let us know the real thing where person they fight to, because this thing won't cut too much. See the other one where they always talk say mini boss, mini boss, mini boss. People they fear to enter mini boss now. More take time for this country Nigeria. More take time.